Friends, it's a pleasure for DEW Journal Live, the video channel of DEW Journal, to bring out latest and updated information of the oil and gas sector. Today we have with us a very important personality of the oil and gas industry. We have Mr. Gajendra Singh. He is member Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. PNGRB along with GAIL has launched first bidding round in Dehradun. India, we are seeing that is poised to grow the natural gas market in the coming years. Tell us what the 11th round bidding round has to offer.
If you see the 11th bidding round, we are offering 65 geographical areas. And this is the biggest CGT bidding round, where the maximum in terms of the coverage areas and in terms of the maximum people covered under this CGT bidding round. And after this bidding round, there are the number of states, 20 states, which will be fully covered. Uttarakhand is one of the states which we are targeting that it should get fully covered. Because if we have to meet those roadmap which Prime Minister has given, and which you are referring to, because the current, if you see the gas consumption in the country is 6.5. If we have to take it to the 15%, it is a big number which we have to achieve. To achieve this thing, we need to have a proper infrastructure in place. So we are putting PNGRB as the priority to develop the gas network, because which already has operation is 20,000 plus kilometer. 15,000 kilometer is further getting under different phase of construction. So gas pipeline network is being constructed. Secondly, the second stage, the distribution network are being constructed by the authorized entity. So we want to authorize all the areas to the entity so they can develop their distribution network all across those geographical areas. And once those things will get developed, I'm sure that CNG station will be there. Like once we started the IGL, the total CNG station in initial was 50. Now today IGL is having 500. So this business keep on growing with so there is a cycle. So it's going to increase, and the household are going to get a PNG gas. So that is big way that achieving this target of 15%, what Honorable Prime Minister has set up, that's not something which is not realistic. It is a realistic, it can be achieved, because by putting a gas pipeline network all part of the country, now we are seeing the demand centers. Earlier the demand center in eastern part, those were not there, but now new fertilizer plants are coming up. The refineries will get switched over to the gas. Same way the steel plants are there, power plants are there. So all those things, once it will come, and all demand center will connect. So I'm sure that this target can be achieved by 2030, what Prime Minister has set up. And we are committed to this, PNGRB, that we will develop all the network. For the want of development, it should not be there, this target could not. And we are strictly monitoring when we have authorized those this pipeline or the CGD entities, we are making sure that those numbers or those commitments are getting.
How would this round be different from the previous 10 rounds?
No, like initially the round what we have given in 9th and 10th round, those areas were lucrative areas as compared to these areas, those areas where earlier the pipeline was not there. But now the pipeline are reaching in these areas also. That is point number one. So once the pipeline will reach in those areas, there we are targeting where the proposed pipeline is already there. So we are targeting this pipeline. Along with this pipeline, these areas will also get developed. So
shed some light on the investor-friendly regulations that PNGRB is offering in this round of bidding.
Particularly if you see the reference of Uttarakhand, we have seen that it is a difficult area. I am saying difficult areas are those areas where maybe at each places we will not be able to take a pipeline. So we have given those things to CGT entities. So they have to, at the time of bidding, those have been given how many charge areas they have to. It's not that they have to reach to all part. Earlier, or the areas which are those areas which are in the cities, we are giving a target, they have to cover all those charge areas. Here we are not giving those particularly difficult areas. So we have considered Uttarakhand areas or some other parts like Himachal and others, which we appreciate that these are difficult areas. Laying pipeline initially may not be possible. So perhaps there the technology has developed, they can take a LCNG there. They can start their CNG through LNG. and those LNG which will be given at a cheaper price, will be administrator price, which is given to other entities. So it is a workable model, and this model is working already working in Kerala and other states where the pipeline has not reached so far. So people have already started this kind of thing. So technology is available and this is doable.
May I just know up to this round of bidding, what percentage of the country has been covered by gas?
After this, I am saying after the conclusion of the 11th round, you will see 96% of the area and 86% of area and 90+% population will get covered.
Very right. 100% by what period of time?
So we left out areas are those areas like if you will appreciate that northeastern part there are the pipeline is going on like Impal, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, those are the far-flung areas, or the Andaman Nicobar, those are the areas where right now there is no plan for the gas network. But already the north in eastern part there is already pipeline is conceived. Once this pipeline will get completed, definitely then next round maybe a small round will be there. There we will cover those left out areas. But there are the very small areas but we are committed that we will cover those.
What are your expectations of this round, of bidding?
Like in previous round also we have seen that 9th and 10th round it was very successful. Earlier you will see that in previous round or CGDs, this particular area, GAs were given only to whether it is IUCL, whether it is BPCL or GAIL or HPCL, only limited to this. But we have seen in 9th and 10th round, not many private parties have participated. So now we have almost 40 entities who are already working or who have participated in 9th and 10th round. And there are the number of private entities, whether it is Adani Gas, whether it is Torrent Gas, they are doing very aggressively and they are doing the remarkable job. And same way there are the lot of MNCs, AGNP is there. There are the other different parties who are already working in India.
We have also seen that besides India, this bidding round have also, road shows have also been taking place abroad also. So is that also a part of this drive?
Basically, if you see that, yes, last week I was in Dubai. We did along with our petroleum secretary, we were there. We have conducted a road show there. The objective is that it requires up $8 billion investment in next 8 years. So definitely we want it, and this is the particular CGD business is such business where it is giving a returns of 18 to 20%. So we are putting those points to those investors or maybe those Indians NRIs who have the money, who have the interest in developing India. So we are giving that opportunity to them also. So we have taken our road show to Dubai also, and our petroleum minister has also visited.
Thank you, sir.